Hi, my name's Kake Charles Onyango, and I'm an African musician. I play an instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is an 8-stringed instrument which is played while someone is seated down on a small stool. So when you play Nyatiti, you have to have some other instrument as well. There is the jingles, the foot bells, you tie it on your foot, and then we have this ring. This ring will act as a kick. So when you're playing, you'll be hitting the frame of the instrument and it will be producing the sound as a kick. The way you have to play the Nyatiti, you play it seated down and you play by plucking and kicking. So you play like I teach people how to play Nyatiti. I share with others how to maintain their instruments, how to change the strings if they are torn or broken out, and how to keep it like in the best condition. I like teaching because personally I was also taught, and I like to share with others my artistical ideas and techniques with other young talents so that they can also come up as artists and be their own creative on their own mission. I appreciate this opportunity, and I'm looking forward to joining the One Beat and my fellow artists in the One Beat program. Thank you.